What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the crypto babe, postcard diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, if you have not checked out my affiliate programs where you can earn instant commissions, anywhere from $25 up to $2,000 instant commissions any way you want, even crypto, Bitcoin. All right, guys. All right, this is a program that I've been a part of, and I took a look at that today since February of 2022. So over a year and a half, pretty much, okay, that I've been an affiliate for this program. I actually love this system. And the owner, we know who the owner is. I've spoken to the owner. And that is rare in all these platforms. Normally, you never know who the owner is, okay? Either the platform works or it doesn't. But in this case, we do know Mr. Frank. I've spoken to him on the phone, and we've emailed and text back and forth. Matter of fact, I've got his cell phone number, okay? So he's definitely present in this platform. And he's available always to answer questions and to assist any way to help. All right. So this program right here is one level. That's the other thing that a lot of people like, and I even like it. You don't have to worry about different levels, $100 level or $250 level. You don't have to worry about missing out on any commissions, if that makes sense. There are some platforms where if you haven't purchased that particular product at that level, you will not earn the commissions and you lose out, even though you're out here promoting it. Whereas with this one, it's only $247, one plan. Okay, one plan. So you're gonna make $247 over and over and over, and you don't have to pass up any sales. There's no one up, there's no reverse one up, two up, none of that. Okay, from day one, you earn $247 for everybody that signs up with your link. Okay, shout out to M.A.P on being around for over a year and a half. And for them making that change, because initially when it came out, it was a one-up. Okay, I believe it was the second sale that you passed up, but that's no longer. They've taken that out of the equation. Because I know a lot of times people didn't want to have to pass up a sale. You don't have to worry about that with this platform. Love it, love it, love it. So $247, guys, instantly and directly into your wallet. All right. Again, Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, Bitcoin, however you want to get paid. It comes with a complete system. That's the other thing about this one. You don't have to worry about going outside of the platform buying anything additional. There's no monthly fees here. It's a one-time payment. You're going to pay $247. Say you join me, I get $247 and the company gets $50. And by the way, you can check this out at www.besteasyworkincome.com. All right? Go there. All right? And check it out. Read over the website. If you have any questions, reach out to me. All right? So it comes with a complete sales funnel. The capture pages are included. The video does all the selling and telling. I don't explain this stuff. All you got to do is drive people to your page that's customized to you, that's coded to you, and let the system do all the sifting and sorting. All right, and you get paid instantly and directly. All right, the fortune is in the follow-up. So this system includes an autoresponder email that's going to follow up with your prospects. Okay, successful marketers use tools, and that's what's included with this program. All right, built-in advertising portal. We figured out a way for you to bank unlimited payments directly into your favorite account by using the tools we set up in your advertising portal. It's point, click, cash in. All right, and here's some payment proof screenshots of folks that's made tons and tons of commissions in the platform. This is just a snapshot. There's been hundreds of folks. I'm included on here as well. All right. We could fill 8 pages with results, but you get the idea. People are getting paid hourly. And what are you promoting? You're promoting digital products, okay, and digital marketing tools, the premier cash producing product. Digital education, guys. Digital, we all know that's what we live in right now, a digital age. Everything is digital and instant, right? You got your smartphone, your smart device, any smart device, whether it's a tablet or a computer. You can go there and go to an app, make a payment, download, boom, and you have it instantly, right? So this is digital education. We don't have to receive anything in the mail. We don't have to stock any products. It's all digital. And you're able to access your products from anywhere in the world as long as you got a Wi-Fi connection. So you'll be able to access the products and the whole system, all right? So you can manage this from a smartphone. You can get paid by using your smartphone. Getting paid is simple. Earn $247 on everyone you enroll. Okay, $247 over and over to infinity and beyond. Okay, just promoting your page. All right, that's what you're going to be doing. And when people opt in, they're going to get this page. They're going to watch this video, which is what you should do. This is a video. Play that video, read over the website. It's not a lot of details. It's not complicated. Don't overcomplicate it. Either you're in or you're out. Do you want a program where you don't have any rug pulls, where you can earn what you want to earn and earn these commissions over and over? You pay for this one time, okay? It's only a one-time investment, no monthly fees. And as long as you put in the work to promote it, you can produce as much commissions as you want, all right? There's no middleman, okay? The person that signs up with you is going to pay you directly, and you're going to specify how you want to get paid in your members area. All right, so just like what it says here, ready to join, click this button. It's going to tell you to pay your enroller $247, and it's going to tell you to pay the company $50. That's it, you're in. One example, once you do that, I'm going to be notified. I'm going to see your name. I'm going to mark you paid from my back office, and boom, you're going to have access to your members area, and you're ready to rock and roll. Now, for everybody to get started with me, I'm going to purchase some traffic for you to get started. Now, as it states on here, let's read this. This is not a get-rich-quick program. We believe in hard work, integrity, and developing your skills. If you want to earn more, as stipulated by law, we cannot and do not make any guarantees about your ability to get results or earn any money with any of our products or services. It takes hard work and patience, but it can work if you do. Absolutely. So you got to do a little work, guys, okay? But we show you how to do it. Everything is in your back office here. All right, so let's go take a look at that here. Now, we're in the back office, and I want to show you something real quick. If you don't want to do any marketing online, guess what, guys? You can mail postcards. The postcard templates is in your back office. You can order directly from the back office. Now check this out. This is something that they've got here where you can get a discount on your forever stamps. They are perfect for postcards and sales letters. And you can get paid commissions for referring folks to order here. Earn commissions on customer orders and reorders. So check it out. You're getting a great deal here. A discount. 500 forever stamps, $115, 23 cents each. Okay, and then they're going to pay you a referral for referring folks. You're going to get a flyer with your information on it. You'll earn 15 bucks. Okay, not bad at all. This is a great deal on these on this postage. 1,000 forever stamps for $189. That's 18.9 cents each, and you're going to earn a $20 commissions. You can get 2,000 forever stamps for $350. 17.5 cents. 5,000 stamps for $750, 15 cents on each stamp. That's incredible. And you earn a $50 referral for referring folks to get this. All right, so you can use postcard marketing. Okay, you don't have to do internet marketing if you don't want to do so. So you come back here. As soon as you sign up, you're going to click Start here. Right here it says complete your profile, set up your payment options. There's a video to show you how to do it. And just follow the steps, right? 1, 2, 3, boom. activate your site. And here's the capture pages. So what you want to do is pick one of these pages. This is what you want to do. Okay. For example, you want to, let's say you pick this page. All this is already back here. Let's hold that. Already set up, done for you. All you got to do is drive people to the page. Okay. So you're going to pick one of those. But of course, when you get started, I'm going to have an onboarding conversation so I can make sure you're set up properly. I'm going to walk you through this. Very simple. This can be done in 5 to 10 minutes. All right. So you activate your site, pick one of these pages, right? Then, okay, well, how do I get people to sign up? So either you can do postcards, all the traffic sources. Here, they give you some ideas here. If you want to do postcards, click right here. What are your postcards? They have the templates already ready to go. You just buy your postcards here, guys. All right. I also have a resource I can share with you too. But right here, you can get 5 postcards, $105 includes shipping. Okay, they can do done for you. Okay, so you can do it that way. If you don't want to deal with the online marketing, they have where you can mail a sales letter, drop cards. There's an 800 number that you can put on your information, and it's a sizzle number, so it piques people's interest. All the marketing information and resources is right here. Then, of course, your products are here. Well, what am I buying? Well, digital marketing. All that is right here, and it's downloadable, easy access right to your smart device. All right, resources, 10 core commitments, ready, fire, aim. A lot of good information is in here just for this little one-time 200 and what is it? 247 plus 50, 297 for this whole deal. And you get the marketing. You get access to the owner of the company. That's very rare in any space, whether it's crypto or direct sales. You have access to the owner. We have a Facebook group, guys, where we're all in the Facebook group, everybody that's a part of the platform, so you can get your questions answered. Or if you join me, of course, you have access to me, and you can reach out to me. I'm not going to click that says your contacts there, but everything you need is right here. Okay, so let's check this out. Hang on a second. Right here, this page, it says let's get your traffic, right? Check it out.
Now that you know about M.A.P, the one thing you're going to need to build your business is traffic. Wait, not that kind of traffic. This kind of traffic. Traffic to your website. You want the kind of traffic that will convert into sales for you. You want your payment section to look just like this one. Payments coming in hour after hour and even minute after minute.
Okay, and that's what I was showing you, right? Traffic sources right here. Well, how do I promote it? Whether you're going to use postcards, drop cards, you can use, you can buy traffic. Let me show you one of the sites that I've used to get traffic. Hang tight. I'm going to put the link in the description, but check it out, guys. This is just one. I've got a couple more sources that I will share with you as well. But here's proof of folks that's gotten results from using this traffic. Okay, meaning these are buyers. These are people that's interested in making money online. You don't have to spam folks on social media, beg friends and family, beg anybody to join your opportunity. Just go out here. All you need to do is give them your page, right? One of the pages that I showed you over here. Okay, you're going to give them your page. This is one of the pages I'm using. When you go to www.besteasyworkincome.com, you go here. This is the page that I'm using. So you're going to give them this link. Okay, that's in your back office. It's coded to you. You're going to come over here and you're going to pick one of these packages, right? You can see they have a testimony that I actually gave to this vendor. But you can come here for as low as $55. You can send 100 visitors to that page. They're going to do it. They're going to do the work for you. You just provide your page, your link. So for an example, if you wanted this one for $55, right, it's going to give you 80% tier 1. Tier 1 is USA, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Okay, but if you only want 100% tier 1, right, you're saying here, I just want all US visitors only, then it'll be $75 for 100 visitors. Okay, meaning the company, this vendor, is going to send 100 visitors over to your page. Now, they're not going to guarantee you any sales. They're just guaranteeing you the visitors are going to come over. Okay, that's how that goes. But this is how you get traction, all right, and leads of people looking at the opportunity. But let's say you say, hey, I'm on a budget, I can spare $55. So you come over here, you click this one. Right here, you just fill out this information. See here, fill out this information. Click right here. You want the 100. It says right here, you want 100 visitors, it's $55. If you want them to send 200 visitors, it's $110. If you want them to send 300 visitors, it's $165. If you want them to send 400, it's $220. If you want them to send 500 visitors, $275. 600 visitors is $330. 700 is $385. 800 visitors is $440. And 900 visitors is $495. And 1,000 is $550. And just think, you're making $247 a pop, a sale, right? So even if you only had $55 to get started to send traffic, guys, one sale, you just made $247. You take 55 out of that, right? And you still pocket it, right? So it's still a great deal. And here's also some testimony here folks are giving. All right, so this is how you do this. You don't have to worry about chasing folks around. It's not what we do. All right, so now remember, when you get started with me, you're not going to have to worry about this first round. I'm going to take care of that. So we'll get 100 visitors over to your site. Just give me, when you get started, just go in your back office. We'll have a conversation. Pick one of these pages. Send that link to me. We'll come over here. We'll send some traffic. And you'll start to see emails coming in where you got leads coming in, taking a look at the opportunity. And the system will follow up with emails to your prospects, okay? And we'll set up, I'll guide you through how to set up how you want to get paid. Venmo, Cash App, Zelle, Bitcoin, okay? However you want to get paid, we'll set that up and we can get this started 24 to 48 hours. And you can start getting leads into the system and possible sales. And you just do this over and over and over and over again. It's repetition. That's all it is. All right, guys. So if you're interested in checking out this system and how you can earn $247 commissions over and over, go to www.besteasyworkincome.com. Check it out. Read over all this first. Jot down your questions. Give me a call. I'll be happy to talk to you, but I'm only interested in serious, not the curious. All right, if you're serious about getting started, do that. That's the first thing. Watch the video right here. The video, I think it's 2 minutes. Check it out, read over everything, jot down your questions, and then give me a jingle. All right, and as you can see, this is what it's going to cost you, $297 to get started. You already know this off the rip. Okay, that's it. One-time payment, no monthly fees, and you're able to do this over and over. You don't owe the company any more money. You wouldn't owe me anymore. One time. All right, and then we get your traffic here, and we get you started. All right, guys. That's it. That's all. Go check it out. www.besteasyworkincome.com. All right. See you guys on the next video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And before you get out of here, don't forget to smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. All right. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.